What's your role actually? What's your character?
So it is a very normal girl and she's stuck in a house and some things happen with her. It is very relatable. It can happen with me sometime. It can happen with you when you watch the film. You will relate it. It can happen to me. It can happen to any normal girl or any guy, you know. So it is something like that and a very relatable story.
Okay.
Yes.
So relatable to a normal girl.
Yeah, relatable to a very normal girl.
Very
normal girl.
So your poster doesn't seem like that, like a normal girl.
Yeah, if I'm at home, I wear such stuff. Even now I do.
Achha?
If I'm at home alone, I'll wear whatever I actually wear.
I don't think you are a normal girl.
I am. So yeah, in my college, I used to wear this Velcro shoes what boys wear. And I had such bad dressing sense, which improved in modeling though. But I had this bad dressing sense, and my senior girls used to make fun of me. And also in dance and all, I used to never get to perform. So I was a very normal girl, and we had these rich kids in my college who used to be like, "Hey, kya? What is she wearing? And what is she doing?" And yeah, so I'm a very normal girl, and maybe now I'm dressed like this. I have makeup on. I have done my hair well. I've done my nails well, because I have learned in every bit of my life. When I did modeling, I learned something. I learned dressing sense. I learned how to do makeup and things like that.
So when you are dancing for a Madhuri Dixit song or Rekha song, did you ever dreamt to be a part in industry?
Actually, when I was small, when I was a kid, I used to tell my parents कि वो TV में जो हिरन आ रही है ना, एक दिन मैं भी आऊँगी वैसे. I used to say this because I didn't know that time how difficult it is. But when I actually grew older and when I was in my engineering college, I used to be out in auditions and they used to not let me perform on stage. So I used to tell my parents कि ये सब कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. एक simple job मिल जाए उतना ही काफ़ी है. And because it is so difficult and it is so out of the box, and we hear so much about Me Too and so much about how directors, how difficult it is for outsiders. So I was believing कि नहीं हो पाएगा, चुपचाप घर में बैठो. So but it happened. It somehow happened.
So after it happened, how do you feel? What exactly your thoughts are now?
I don't know, like I'm not even able to be very happy because I'm scared to be very happy, to be very honest.
Why?
Because I don't know, things are happening itself, and if I get too happy with things, I mess up. So I'm too scared to be very happy. I'm just controlled, and I'm thinking and doing things, and obviously it feels like a dream. I never thought कि वही राम गोपाल वर्मा जिसकी फिल्म हम टीवी पे देखते थे, he will launch me someday. So obviously it feels like a dream.
Okay, so what about your co-star?
So Rock Kachi, he's also from Odisha, and he has very good muscles and good body. So that was the reason he was chosen in the film. And so and yesterday I saw his performance, and he's done really well. And I'm sure he'll get more opportunities and more offers after the film releases.
So Apsara, you want to be a director later on?
Yes.
So director ki chala aspects telisi undali, 24 crafts ni ela control cheyali telisi undali.
Yes.
And RGV gari film ante basic ga technical aspects kosame choose vallu chala mandi untaru. Because intense ga choose chestaru film making ni, different kind of style. Yes. Style kosam chala mandi ishtapadtaru. So what did you observe?
So what I observed about him as an audience, I will say I'm too small in front of him to talk about his craft, but I'll say the kind of films that he does, so something will be related to politics, something is a love story, something is a thriller, something is a different story. So his graph is so different, he's so creative that I think a director has to be like that and learn a lot from him.
What kind of technical aspects in thriller?
In thriller, so we had like 5 cameras on sets, and I've never seen so many cameras. So I used to always see एक camera यहाँ पे लगा के फिर ऐसे करके करना है, and basic things, how we one face side and one behind for suggestion and one for wide. That's all I knew. But
basic formula.
Yeah, basic one. And when I did with him, camera कहाँ है, ऊपर है, यहाँ है, वहाँ है, नीचे है, and I have to crawl on top of the camera, and it was I was getting confused कि कहाँ है camera, पता ही नहीं चल रहा. But then after a day, second day, I understood things. I kind of understood his craft. It's very different. I think for someone like new, उसको तो समझ ही नहीं आएगा क्या हो रहा है. मतलब it's so technically great, so crazy. It's crazy.
Okay, so మీ కాస్ట్యూమ్స్ ఎవరు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు?
I had a stylist and we had costumers for me, and they
Which kind of costume you like the most?
Uh, I like evening gowns, like off-shoulder, backless, long gowns with a slit cut, you know, super elegant and super international. So I like that. Something like that you wear for an evening event, or that are my favorites.
So you used chota chota clothes in this movie. How did you feel? How did you experience that?
See, it was okay for me. For me, whatever I get as an actor, whatever it is, I don't think that matters, because you know, when we see actresses on screen like Kangna, like Aradhika Apte, like one of my favorite actors, Kate Winslet. We've seen her doing Titanic so bold and beautiful and, you know, elegantly. So I think costumes don't matter. When you're an actor, you have to be confident whatever you wear.
That is only about the picture, or your in-self is like that?
See, obviously, I was
You're
thinking, yeah. So I was thinking कि सही है कि नहीं, या then I was like, why am I thinking, when I love the actresses when they wear a short dress and they look so cute and so pretty, why am I thinking to wear, when you know, I would love to watch a film when the actress wears anything very sexy and I love to watch it. So why am I thinking so much? I have to look good and I'll try to look good, and I thought, why not? And then I was just mat socha, and my mom said, I'm with you, no matter it works or not. I'm still with you and you'll still be my favorite. I'll still be your fan. So I was like, okay, fine.
Done. So Apsara, finally, ఇంకా ఎలాంటి మూవీస్ చేయబోతున్నారు, అండ్ మీరు డైరెక్టర్ అయితే ఎలాంటి మూవీస్ చేస్తారు?
So when I become a director, I will do science fiction films. Okay. I love science fiction, and that is something in India is not happening. So I will work on it, and I want to do those kind of films.
Upcoming films.
So yeah, after Thriller, Dangerous is coming, and Dangerous is a lesbian crime action film. Yeah.
Romance with a guy and a romance with a girl.
Also. Yes. So we give equal importance to everybody, whoever has whatever.
Did you ever feel the change? Doing romance with a guy and with
See, I was not enjoying either with the guy nor with the girl. Yeah. So for me, it was both equal. Yeah, I never felt any difference. For me as an actor, if I'm doing something on screen, I'm not enjoying it. I'm acting, I'm just being the character. So for me, a guy and a girl doesn't make a difference.